A very good morning to all of you students. Welcome to our GK class once again. Today we are going to start our next chapter, that is chapter 11, and its name is My Clothes. So all of you be ready with your GK book, pencil and eraser. Students, before starting this class, I would like to show you some pictures. You can see on the screen. Here different people are shown wearing different type of dresses. So these dresses are called clothes. हम जो कपड़े पहनते हैं उन्हीं को हम clothes बोलते हैं. तो क्या सभी लोग एक तरह के कपड़े पहनते हैं? उसी के बारे में आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. Students, in this first picture, in the first box you see Gujarati is written, and the two people standing over here. The woman is wearing a sari and the another one is wearing a cap like structure and a kurta. So this is the traditional dress of Gujaratis. Just like that, in the second box see Maratha is written. It is the traditional dress of the Marathis, the people from Maharashtra. Okay. Here the man is wearing a coat like structure at the top and wearing a dhoti below, and the woman is wearing a sari but in another style. जिस तरह से गुजराती में उन्होंने भी साड़ी पहना है बट उनका स्टाइल कुछ अलग है और मराठीज का स्टाइल अलग है. तो आज हम लोग इसी के बारे में ही पढ़ने वाले हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ट्रेडिशन. ट्रेडिशन इज ए बिलीफ और बिहेवियर पास डाउन टू द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन. कोई ऐसा परंपरा या कल्चर, संस्कृति जो हमें हमारे पूर्वजों से मिली होती है उसे हम ट्रेडिशन बोलते हैं. सो ट्रेडिशनल क्लोथेस भी उन क्लोथेस को बोलते हैं जो कि हमारे पूर्वजों से हमने देखकर पहनना सीखा है. बट नाउ डेज वी यूज आवर ट्रेडिशनल क्लोथेस ओनली इन फेस्टिव और सम इम्पॉर्टेंट ओकेजन्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ आवर चैप्टर. All of you please open the page 14. Here at the top some facts is written, so we are going to read it. In India, people wear different clothes in different states. Here are some of pictures of people wearing traditional clothes. So students, I have already told you about the traditional clothes. In the below you can see many pictures are given. So we have to identify the state to which these people belong. So let us start it. In the first picture you can see a man wearing a turban, wearing a kurta like structure and a dhoti like structure at the below, and the woman is also wearing salwar. So from the picture we can tell that this comes from the state Punjab. All of you please write down there Punjab. You can take the help of the box given at the below. In the second image you can see the woman is wearing a sari and the man is wearing a cap like structure, long kurta and pajama. So from their attire we can come to know that it is from Maharashtra. So all of you please write down Maharashtra. Students, in the next picture you can see the man is wearing a small kurta like structure and the girl is wearing a ghagra choli. In the previous picture also I have shown this. It is from Gujarat. In the next picture, children, you can see the female is wearing a Pathani suit and the male is wearing a dogri. Dogri is a costume which is loose at the top and tight at knees. So these people are from Jammu Kashmir. In the next picture you can see people who look just like the tribal people and they are wearing alangstu and mechala. So these people come from Nagaland. The next image is very easy. You must have seen such type of clothing. It is from West Bengal. Here the man is wearing a dhoti, traditional kurta, and the woman is also wearing a sari in a special arrangement. So all of you will write West Bengal over here. In the next image, students, you can again see the the woman is wearing a sari like structure which is called mekhala, and the man is again wearing a kurta and having a dhoti like structure. So this is from our state Assam. So all of you write here Assam. Now the last picture is from Andhra Pradesh, where the woman is wearing a normal sari and the man is wearing a dhoti shirt and putting a gamcha over him. So students, with this our chapter is completed. All of you please write it down in your GK copies. Thank you students.